Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Consolto app inside KonnectzIT. So I'm going to take a lead from Consolto and I'll be adding the same lead into Google Sheets, and also I'll be adding the lead into my email automation tool, that is Encharge. So let's get started by creating Connect. So before that, we have to authorize our apps. So I'm going to authorize Consulto is an webbook enabled app, so you don't need to authorize Consulto inside KonnectZit. Just need to copy and paste based on the instructions. So, but you have to authorize Encharge. So I'm going to authorize Encharge first. So click on Encharge and click on Add Account. So this will redirect to your Encharge authorization page, so where you have to give permission for KonnectZit. So just allowing access to KonnectZit. So just click on allow. So this will going to authorize Encharge inside KonnectZit. That's it. So now let's get started by creating our workflow. So I'll be taking Consulto as my trigger. So as Consulto is an webbook enabled app, so just you need to drag and drop Consulto app, and I'm taking the trigger as any new contact form submission inside Consulto, and based on the instructions provided here, so I'll be go to copy my webbook URL, go to Consulto app and click on my profile, so that is personal settings, and you have to click on integration tab, and here you see connect webbook. Just click on connect and paste the webbook URL and click on save. So that's it, you are good to go to receive data from Consulto. So now before actually filling the form, just click on capture webbook response. This will enable KonnectZit to capture the response from Consulto. So now let's go to Consulto and fill in the form. So I'll just going to enter my details, and that's it. So I just enter the message as test and click on send. So once I just send the request, so you will be receive the same inside KonnectZit. So you can see that I just received my name, email ID, and the phone number, and also the comment which I added, and also the recipient email. So now let's go to as per our use case. So I'm going to go to Google Sheet. So just to add the same details inside my Google Sheet, or you can use your own CRM. So basically, I'm just using my Google Sheet here. So just take an action as create spreadsheet row. So I'm going to create a row on my spreadsheet. So whenever there is a new contact which is being filled inside Consulto, so I just take my sheet and just need to connect between the nodes. That's it. So I just connect the nodes and also the phone number, email ID, and the phone number. So before it on test and review, so I will show you this is my Google Sheet, and this is a sheet I just selected. So now I go ahead to connects it and it on test and review. So this will basically add this test data inside my Google Sheet. So you can see that the name, email, and the phone number. So now let's go to connects it and add Encharge. So basically what I'm going to do is creating a record inside my CRMs. Right now I'm using it a Google Sheet, and after that I'll be adding it to my email automation tool, that is Encharge. So I'm going to add the same record which is being filled inside console to Encharge now. So just need to drag and drop Encharge, choose your account. So I just choose my account. So you will be having all these actions. So basically I'll be adding an add or update person. So I'm going to add a record inside Encharge. So I just choose that. So if you have any personal custom field, you can do that. And now you will come up with the list of data which is to be filled. So now just need to connect between the nodes. I will connect email to the email field and name to the name field. And also if you want, you can just have phone number, you can just select phone number. So right now I just have only two fields, so I will click on test and review. So before that I will show you this is my Encharge. So I don't have any contacts at this moment. So now let's hit on test and review. This will basically add this particular record inside Encharge. Yes, the data has been sent to Encharge. You can see that. So now let's go to Encharge and hit on refresh. So basically it will add a create a contacts. You can see that with my email ID and my name. So this is how you can connect Consulto to your Google Sheet and Encharge. So let's name our connect as Consulto to Encharge and click on publish. So my connects are published successfully. Now let's test our connect. So I go here. So probably I have to create one more record. So I will just use any other name, probably John. I just use John Paul, something like that. And email ID as any random email ID like jando@gmail.com. And phone number as any other random phone number. And message, anyhow I'm not using anything. So click on send. So this will basically send a record inside Consulto. So as per our connect, so I'll go here. So this is our connect looks like. So any request on KonnectzIT webbook from Consulto, so that will trigger a create spreadsheet row. That will be new row will be created inside Google Sheet, and also add an record person inside Encharge. So this is how our connects look like. So let's go to Google Sheet and check for the record. Yes, guys. So you can see the record has been added inside Google Sheet. So now let's go to Encharge and refresh our page. So a record will be added inside Encharge as well. So you can see the email ID and the name. So hope you guys like this integration. If you have any questions on this particular integration on how to connect Consulto to your email automation tool or a CRM, just let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.